pauwi na kami ng Bacolod. On a very dark road na walang ilaw, may nakasalubong ako. Sinubukan kong iwasan. Hindi ko na nakontrol yung kotse at tumilapan ko. This is the end. Sabi ko, this is it. I've been driving my Chery Tiggo Grand Tour for the past 7 months and I fell in love with it. The performance, the tech, and the looks, it's all fabulous. It's a work of art. Sabi ko sa wife ko, we should take this home. We just finished our installation out of town and we were driving in the middle of the night. It's around 8:30 p.m. May nakasalubong ako and nag-low beam ako. Biglang may motor na walang ilaw front at back na nakita ko kaya sinubukan kong iwasan at ayun, hindi ko na nakontrol yung kotse at tumilapon kami. Habang lumilipad yung kotse sa ere, lahat ay naging slow motion, yung parang sa anime na parang bumabagal yung lahat.
Pag send nila ng picture, grabe yung sasakyan. Sirang-sira talaga.
I was very worried. I can't imagine what they have gone through during that time.
Nung nakita ko yung sasakyan, na-shock ako dahil grabe pala.
Nung makita ko yung car, mapapaisip ka talaga na buhay pa ba yung sakay nito?
Grabe yung yung kaba ko.
I'm so lucky to be alive talaga. Pagka umaga, sabi ng rescuer sa amin, "Sir, yung na-rescue namin dito lagi, it's either dead or critical."
Sa tingin ko, kung hindi Chery yung gamit namin na sasakyan, siguro wala na kami.
Nung dumating kami sa ospital, nakita ko, okay silang dalawa, lalo na yung anak ko.
My husband and his co-passenger were perfectly fine and I'm very grateful about it.
Thank you kay Lord God. Thank you man siguro sa performance ni Chery.
I contacted Chery and they helped me look for a towing company, the insurance company, and then they assured me that they will help me in everything on the process of my recovery.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Chery. Kasi buhay na buhay yung anak ko, tapos wala kahit kunting galos.
This incident taught me to be mindful all the time in wearing seatbelts. And when it comes to purchasing a car, we should consider its structural integrity.
I really thank God na okay kami and I really thank my car, my Grand Tour for protecting me all the way. Based on my previous experience, na-realize ko na it's not about luxury, but it's about safety that the vehicle can offer. Airbags, ABS, electronic stability program that can help or assist drivers.
Hindi ka nagkamali sa pagpili ng car na kinuha mo. Pwede compete pala sa Germany ito na mga car. Sabi ko, yan naman talaga ang mahalaga eh. Yung yung safety gear, yun lang highly recommended talaga.